Meron kaming binuo na grupo na yung Lightbulb Moments Entertainment. Ang main objective ng group is to develop a product, a new product na hindi lang basta dinadaanan. Ito yung tipo na ma-engage yung mismong yung experience mo and may immerse ka. The challenge is paano ba to magi-stand out? Paano siya magiging iba at bakit siya ang kailangan tangkilikin? So that's the time na nangailangan kami ng isang partner na merong credibility in terms of staging yung mga groundbreaking na experience or entertainment. So that's the time na na-consider na talagang si PETA yung PETA yung talagang number one na dapat na makasama namin sa project na to.
I really want to commend my actors kasi hindi biro yun. Kahit maikli yun that's like 1 minute na paulit-ulit nilang gagawin at super high intensity. So I was telling them, if the audience doesn't believe you, that's it. This scene is dead. 1 minute of performance is what counts. That looking into the audience, that really getting them engaged. So, and they've done so well, and I really want to, and this is community theater and university-based theater kids. So I'm really proud of them.
What makes this different from the other horror houses that is now in the market is meron siyang kwento na sinusundan. It's not just the usual, you go into a horror house and then nagugulat ka na lang because the people are there to actually gulatin ka. This, meron kang sinusundan na kwento. Another is we're using people who are trained theatrically. The actors that are part of Bahay 13 are student theater people, yung mga members sila ng mga theater organizations na sa kanilang schools. So we would like to invite everyone to go to Bahay 13, visit Bahay 13. It's here at Santa Lucia East Grand Mall. It's a World of Fun. It's a project collaboration with PETA, Philippine Educational Theater Association, and the World of Fun.